Okay, guys, so right now we are going to evaluate functions. Earlier, we said in the previous video, we said that functions are usually given in terms of equations rather than as sets of ordered pairs. So if you see a function that looks like this, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, it's in an equation form, but what it means is whatever value of x you put in or whatever value of x you assign to um to this variable x, that value can be your y. So the f of x can actually be your y. So this equation right here can be written as y is equal to 2x plus 3. And so if we are trying to evaluate f of 4, that means it's going to be 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3, which is 8 plus 3, which is 11. So f of 4 is equal to 11, and the same the same meaning that your y is equal to 11 when x is equal to 4. So, so the ordered pair that corresponds to this type of function is the ordered pair 4, 11. Okay, so now let's take a look at another example. So evaluate the next equation when x is -2. All right, so let's use this as an example 1, and this is your example 2. This time, the name of your function is g. So g of x is equal to 2x squared minus 1, and you are to evaluate g of -2. Okay, so g of -2 is equal to plugging in the -2 to x. So 2 multiplied by -2 minus 1. And that is, okay, 2 times -2, -4 minus 1. Okay, so -4 minus 1 is -5. Therefore, g of -2 is -5, which means y is equal to -5 when x is -2. So this corresponds to an ordered pair, -2 because the x comes first, and -5. Okay, let's have another example. This is example 3. We're still evaluating, but this time we are evaluating h of r. Okay, and the equation is r cubed minus 2r squared plus 5. Okay, we're evaluating h of r with that equation when r is equal to -5. So plugging in -5 to r, that will be -5 to the third power minus 2 times -5 squared plus 5 equal to, now you have to cube the -5, meaning you're multiplying it by itself 3 times. So -5 times -5 is positive 25 times -5 is -125. And then minus 2 times, you're evaluating that exponent first. So -5 squared is -5 by itself times negative. So -5 times -5 is positive 25. And then add the 5. Okay, so now you are evaluating these two. So -125, -2 times 25 is -50 plus 5. That's -25 minus 50 is -175 plus 5 is -170. So h of -5 is equal to -170, and we can say that y is equal to -170. when x is negative 5. So that corresponds to the ordered pair negative 5 and negative 170 because your x is the negative 5 and your y is the negative 170.